Happy birthday to the King of Sweden! But besides His Majesty's birthday, we are celebrating another occasion today. Valborg, which is also known as Saint Walpurgis Eve, is a huge part of Swedish tradition. The roots of this tradition come from early 18th century. And nowadays it is just occasion for local groups to organize events in their neighborhood to gather around and integrate together. The celebration includes choral singing, a speech to honor upcoming spring, but also the main star, a huge bonfire. The details of the celebration may vary depending on the region. If you're from Malmö or surrounding areas, check the description to see where you can celebrate Valborg 2024 in your neighborhood.